Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Just filming a little intro here after the fact. As you can see, the sun is setting. We're gonna be hopping in the Volvo today, just having a chill cruise, chatting a bit, talking about the car, and overall enjoying the night prior to the sunset. Well, it is currently 6:56 on a beautiful fall evening out here in the 1997 Volvo 850. It's got a 5-speed manual transmission and the infamous 5-cylinder Volvo engine. Despite just rolling into 7 p.m. here this time of year, the sun is now starting to set. But I thought that would make for a perfect time to go for a sunset cruise in this classy Volvo. I also had the idea of this camera angle that I wanted to test out, so hopefully the lighting will be all right for you guys today, because the evening atmosphere in this car some nights is a really chill, good vibe. And I thought it'd be nice if in the clip you could see a bit more of the shifting action going on as well. Believe it or not, this Thanksgiving weekend we actually have some snow on our radar. I suspect that it'll probably melt during the day as soon as the sun hits, but I'm looking forward to seeing some snow nonetheless, as well as the video opportunities that it brings to this channel. I also just love driving in the snowfall and the whole winter atmosphere. I'm excited to experience it in this Volvo and share it with you guys. You probably know that Volvo originates from Sweden, which is known for its cold, icy, and harsh winter conditions, which makes a Volvo like this a perfect candidate for a Canadian winter. Once winter's in full swing, I won't be running these all-season Pirelli tires that are on the Turbo 850 wheels. I've actually got some pretty nice steel wheels with pretty much brand new studded winter tires, which came with the car when I bought it, which was a huge bonus, getting the 2 sets of wheels with practically new tires. If you haven't seen the first video I made with this car, I talked about a bit of the love and care that the previous owner, who was a retired mechanic or mechanic turned accountant, had put into this car. He was a Volvo enthusiast, and he was probably as good as an owner as this car could have gotten before me. And he's pretty much gone through and replaced all of the stuff that I would have typically needed to worry about. So yeah, he invested in quality tires. He put Bilstein suspension all around. He replaced most of the bushings, replaced the heater core system, the PCV system, including the clutch. He did a lot of little and big things that really brought some value and hopefully lasting reliability to this car for me as I continue to own and maintain it. I'm actually creeping up on, in less than 1,000 kilometers, I'll be performing the oil change on this car and most likely making a video about it if the time is right. just such a smooth driving, smooth revving, and smooth shifting vehicle. While it doesn't have any rugged 4x4 capabilities, the previous owner said with the studded tires and the front wheel drive, it gripped like an all-wheel drive car in the snow. So I'm looking forward to see how this car does when we do get some snowstorms and other stuff like that. I've actually really been wanting to find a nice Jeep TJ to own and just go on some more adventures in. But for me to buy a Jeep TJ right now, I'd have to find a really clean example for me to really want to pull the trigger. All right, my throat's dry from talking, so I'm just gonna run into the gas station, grab a drink. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, enjoy.
You too. All right, we've got some goods secured. Gas station drinks and snacks, not recommended, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So, like I was saying, this Volvo 850 probably been the best daily driver I've had. Not so much as an all-rounder as the Toyota RAV4 and other vehicles, but for just regular commute and day-to-day city use, it's definitely offered probably the most comfort without having so many trade-offs as a more luxury-focused brand. Like, I did have a 2005 Mercedes C230 compressor, which was honestly a similar feeling sedan. It actually had a supercharged 4-cylinder engine, but a little bit more on the luxury side compared to a Volvo, lacking some of the characteristics that I like personally. For example, the Mercedes did not even have an engine oil dipstick, so I wasn't able to physically check the oil level. Whereas I feel like these older Volvos are a lot more mechanically minded, and while super smooth and comfortable, I just feel a little bit more connected to the more physical and mechanical experience of the car, or that mechanical ownership aspect of the vehicle. I like that it has all the gauges that I need, plain, simple, and in view in front of me. And the fuel gauge isn't just a full to empty, but it actually states the fuel capacity on the lines with an actual number. So you know it's a 70-liter tank. Just little details like that. Overall, I really love this Volvo 850, and as time goes on, we'll see where things go with this ownership, how things go, and all that good stuff. So yeah, thanks for joining me on this chill fall evening as the sun sets. It wasn't a super dramatic sunset today, but still beautiful night, just for a cruise and a bit of a chat with you guys anyhow. Let me know what type of videos you'd like to see in the future, as well as any questions you might have in the comments down below. I love hearing your thoughts, your experiences, and your automotive adventures. Thank you so much for watching. Safe driving, everybody.